Nongdie Madan Thain Laitumkhrah kimnut ban penibol wala kira persiang hari ini sengi ban penibol persia ikan municipal hendai mentak sengi kimnut ban mi hari jingrat kena ke Shillong municipal board mentak sengi kedai ke bakut jong ke jing bu por ke Shillong municipal board bagi Nongdie Madan Thain Laitumkhrah kedai ban kendri alut syai jaka bala bu ke soka HSMB parking dan kiti berhap pelau ke Brightwell ha baring Iaid Thain Laitumkhrah ke baju kap ngiak semam nak jing don Nongdie Madan kelawan rak mentah ya jing kelui war ke bala pensuk ya ke Ieng jong ke Paidbah hakate ke Thain hakan ni ke jing kenra ke municipal asnan lang ro ke doba snong ki seng kentai bat seng sama Laitumkhrah la don lang ro ukisi boro CEO ke Shillong municipal board tengkat ki pulit nol ke MLA jong ke Thain ke kong April leng do
मुझे लगता है ना long ibajay dyan. Please, tangkatanga request na kalian. Blog yan na ba diyan sini? Nothing. Only thank you.
Mana bilang apa kini? Kalau gini lagi.
Kalau gini dia cakap ni. Just 2 or 3 words.
Sekedar kentin tak?
Laitumkhrah. Yang apa ni resmi? Minum dojeng dulu. Laitumkhrah.
Kena ikut jengmi jeng kini lagi. Long kami nak senang hai.
Angkren Di sungu yung blade try kan rad. Ulale ya kaba don kam.
Today we have done this relocation of Nongdie area and Laban. They will be located in Thain and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is done. Everything has been arranged. It is very successful today.
But we see lots of Darbar Shillong people are also here.
No, they are witnessing. They are witnessing the process. That's all.
Can you elaborate on the resolution of these houses here? What is the status of the municipal?
No. Here we have got 86 houses. All will be located in Thain and Bridal Bungalow. Everything is arranged. Everything has been done. They are obeying. They are complying. They are cooperating with us. That's all.
No,
Thank you.
Are you accepting that the complaint of the hawkers? But it's only one day. If they say they can go selling.
No. This is not about 1 day, 2 days. No. We have issued already the relocation notice, giving them 1 month time. And today is the day for their relocation.
They are accept or not?
Yeah, they have accepted. All accepted.
How,
So regarding the hawkers from the jail road, what about the... No, that's a different issue.